A visitation team from the National Universities Commission (NUC) has paid a resource verification visit to the Franco International University, Kaduna. The team, which was under the leadership of the Deputy Director, Master Plan and Infrastructure, Dr. Mustafa Rashid, arrived Kaduna on Saturday, the 28th of January 2023, to assess the facility put in place at the proposed university. The facilities the team visited include lecture halls and theaters, laboratories, library, staff offices, as well as students' hostel and staff quarters. The visitation team was received on arrival by the promoter and the proprietor of the university, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gorzo, and the Planning and Implementation Committee, as has been working on to ensure that the proposed university gets NUC recommendation for licensing to operate as a private university in Nigeria within the shortest possible time. During the visit to the FBI University located in Chibi close by Nnamdi Azikiwe Expressway, Kaduna, the team went round the nooks and crannies of the university in addition to visiting other important infrastructure in the institution. After assessing the facilities, the NUC team and the members of the University Planning and Implementation Committee, headed by Dr. Abdullahi Abubakar Kankia, had a meeting where the major findings were discussed and valuable suggestions were offered. Other officials in the NUC team were Engineer Suleiman Adebayo, Deputy Director, Directorate Office, Malam Abubakar Nuhu, Deputy Director, Academic Matters, Barrister Umul Kulthum Giwa, Deputy Director, Governance and Law, and Lola Agawo, a Secretariat staff. Franco International University, Kaduna is one of the 4 universities founded by Professor Adamu Abubakar Gorzo.